Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the solubility product. Now when we take a sparingly soluble salt, some salts are completely soluble, some salts are insoluble, some salts are sparingly soluble. Sparingly soluble salts, when dissolved in a solvent like water, form two equilibria, physical equilibrium and chemical equilibrium. The salt solution which contain chemical equilibrium and physical equilibrium is known as saturated salt solution. Saturated solution. Now, silver chloride. This is the sparingly soluble salt. Sparingly soluble salt. Let us consider a sparingly soluble salt like AgCl. When it is dissolved in water, some molecules are dissolved to give liquid. So this is dissolved form but unionized form. Dissolved but unionized form. Now out of them, some molecules undergo ionization. So this is called what? Dissolved and ionized form. Dissolved and ionized form. Here in this one, chemical formula is same. They differ only in the physical state. The equilibrium in which substances differ in physical state is known as physical equilibrium. This is the physical equilibrium. Whereas the equilibrium formed between two components which differ in composition. Here it is in combined state, it is in ionic state. This is unionized form, this is ionized form. This is known as chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium. Thus, this salt is forming a solution containing physical equilibrium and chemical equilibrium. A salt solution containing both physical equilibrium and chemical equilibrium is known as saturated salt or sparingly soluble salt. Saturated salt of sparingly soluble salt. In that one, I am going to calculate the equilibrium. This is K1 and this is K2, let us say. K1 equal to, it is the ratio of concentrations of the products by concentrations of the reactants. Okay, similarly, K2 equal to concentration of the products into by concentrations of the reactants. Concentrations of the reactants. For overall reaction, the K is equal to K1 into K2. Then we get what? The product of K1 is concentration of AgCl liquid by concentration of AgCl solid into concentration of Ag plus into Cl minus by concentration of AgCl liquid in the undissolved form. You know, these two are getting cancelled. Finally, I am getting concentration of Ag plus into molar concentration of Cl minus by concentration of AgCl solid into, let us say this one as K. Now on cross multiplication we get K into concentration of AgCl solid is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. This is taken as solubility product Ksp equal to concentration of the ions, product of concentrations of the ions in the sparingly soluble salt solution. So Ksp is taken as the product of concentrations of the ions of the salt solution. I explain once again. When a sparingly soluble salt is taken, when it is dissolved in a solvent, it forms two equilibrium. One equilibrium between solid state and liquid which is undissolved. This is called physical equilibrium. Another equilibrium known as dissolved but unionized and dissolved and ionized. They differ in chemical composition. So this is called chemical equilibrium. Thus the solution containing both physical equilibrium and chemical equilibrium is known as saturated solution of sparingly soluble salt. Now we are taking equilibrium constant for the two process. Now adding the equations, then we multiply the K values. So K is equal to K1 into K2. On simplification we get solubility product is taken as the product of concentration of the ions present in the solution. This is a formula for sparingly soluble. KSP, solubility product of sparingly soluble salt. Now we are taking some more examples here. We are taking some more examples. Now let us suppose a salt of type AB. Salt of type AB is taken. Salt of type AB is taken. When we take a salt AB, now for this one you consider its solubility. How can we take solubility? Solubility is nothing but molar concentration indicated by S, which is equal to moles by volume in liter or weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by volume. With the help of this one we will calculate the solubility S. So solubility S is none other than the molarity. Molarity of the compound is taken as the solubility. Molarity of the compound is taken as the solubility. Solubility. Now AB ionized into A plus and B minus. Now for 1 molar A plus, 1 molar B minus are. For 2 molar A plus, 2 molar B minus is. For S molar, 1 molar S and 1 molar S are formed. Then what is the KSP? KSP is the concentration of the positive ion, into concentration of the negative ion. Concentration of the negative ion we have. So this is B minus. Nothing but simplification 1s whole power 1 and 1s whole power 1. Nothing but 1 power 1 S power 1 plus 1. Nothing but 1s2. This is for salt AB. Now we go for salt AB2. Another example I am taking AB2 salt. For AB2 salt, how can we find the solubility product? Solubility product. Now you take AB2 salt. Let us say it has solubility of S. This one ionized into, you crisscross, then we will get the charges. 1A and 2B are there. This is a 2 is the charge of A, whereas 1 is the charge of B. So solubility 1s, solubility 2s. KSP equal to concentration of A whole power 1, concentration of B whole power 2. So we take 1s power 1, 2s power 2. So we are taking 1 power 1, S power 1, 2 power 2, S power 2. Thus we are getting 1 power 1, 2 power 2 into S power 1 plus 2. Nothing but 4s cube. 4s cube I am getting. One more example I am explaining. Let us suppose this time A2B3. This time we are taking A2B3. A2B3. For A2B3, what is the concept here? A2B3. Let us consider solubility is S mole per liter or S molar. Then it ionizes into 2A cations and 3B anions. Now 3 is the charge of A, 2 is the charge of B, plus 3 and minus 2. Okay, solubility is taken as S. So this one become 2S, this one become 3S. What is solubility product? Nothing but concentration of A plus 3 whole power 2, concentration of B minus 2 whole power 3. Now simplification 2s power 2, 3s power 3. On further simplification 2 power 2 s power 2, 2 power 3 power 3 s power 3. Nothing but 2 power 2, 3 power 3 into s power 2 plus 3. Nothing but 4 into 27 into s power 5. Nothing but 108 into s power 5. Now can you calculate what is s? KSP by 108 become what? S power 1 by 5. Then s equal to what? Whole power something. Here this is s power 5. This s power 5 when it come to this side become 1 by 5. Thus KSP by 108. Thus the solubility is taken. The solubility is taken like that. Now this time we are taking general form. The general form I am taking is, let us suppose a salt of AmBn. This ionized into M A ions and N B ions with charge plus N with charge minus M. Now the solubility product Ms and this is solubilities are Ms and Ns. KSP equal to, tell me, A whole power M and B whole power this is whole power M and B power minus M whole power N. Nothing but Ms whole power M, Ns whole power N. I am getting M power M, S power M, N power N, S power N. Nothing but M power M, N power N and S power M plus N. Now can you calculate what is S value? So K by M power M, N power N is equal to S power M plus N. Then what is S? S is equal to K by M power M, N power N whole power 1 by M plus N. Thus the solubility is found. Okay. Now we are going for the numerals. Now we are going to calculate the numerals. So what is the general formula? In first we take, if we take a salt of type AXBY, in case of AXBY, what is the formula for AX and BY? What is the solubility product? KSP is taken as X power X, Y power Y, S power X plus Y, S power X plus Y. Thus we calculate. Now the problem. First problem. The solubility of CaF2 is 2 into 10 power minus 4. Then its solubility product is what? What is its solubility product? Now given is S equal to 2 into 10 power minus 4. The salt is CaF2. This is taken as 1 Ca plus 2 and 2F minus. This is taken as 1S. This is taken as 2S. So what is the formula for KSP? KSP equal to Ca plus 2 whole power 1 and F minus whole power 2. In the place of Ca we are writing 1s power 1. Here we are writing 2s power 2. So we will get 1 power 1 s power 1, 2 power 2 s power 2. Nothing but, this is nothing but 1 into 4 into s cube. So the formula is 4s cube, or you can directly write this one because it is of type what? A1 B2. For A1 B2 what is the formula? 1 power 1, 2 power 2, s power x plus y, the s power 1 plus 3. So substituting 4 into 2 into 10 power minus 4 whole power 3. Simplifying 4 into 8 into 10 power minus 12. 2 cube is 8. So 32 into 10 power minus 12. Or this can be taken as 2.2 into 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 12. Or it is taken as 3.2 into 10 power minus 11. This is the solubility product of CaF2. Solubility product of the CaF2. Clear? The next one. Now we are going to discuss one more problem. This time I am giving another salt. This time I am giving the solubility product and given to find out the second problem. The solubility product of silver chromate is what? This is 32 into 10 power minus 13. 32 into 10 power minus 13. Then what is the solubility? Then the solubility of the salt is what? This is the example we are giving. Now here again, you please remember it is having the formula Az2CrO4 because Az plus 1 and chromate is minus 2. That's why the formula is Az2CrO4 taken 1. This is in the form of A2B1 type. For A2B1 type, what is the KSP? 2 power 2, 1 power 1, S power 2 plus 1. 4 into 1 into S cube. But you are given 32 into 10 power minus 13. Now on simplification we get what? So 32 into 10 power minus 13 by 4 is equal to S cube. Now 4 1 times or 8 times or 8 into 10 power minus 13 we are getting 8 into 10 power minus 13. Let us suppose this one as 10 power minus 15. Let us take as minus 15. The calculation will become very easy. That's why I am taking 10 power minus 15. So 10 power minus 15 whole power. So 10 power minus 15 equal to S power 3. Now you take whole power 1 by 3 on both sides. Take whole power 1 by 3 on both sides. 3 cancelling. Here this is taken as 2 into 10 power minus 5. 2 cube into 10 power minus 15. So this is taken as for 2 power 3 whole power 1 by 3 getting cancelled, or this can be written as 2 power minus 5 whole cube and whole power 1 by 3. Nothing but these two are getting cancelled. The formula is 2 into 10 power minus 5. This is a solubility. Thus the solubility is calculated. Okay now? This is second model. The third model is third model problem. We have nearly 4 model problems are there. So 2 are completed. Now we have to explain the third model. The third model is the solubility of silver chloride in 0.1 molar NaCl solution given KSP of AgCl is 1.3 into 10 power minus 12. This is a question given. Okay. First of all, you split AgCl. AgCl split into Ag plus and Cl minus. Let us consider solubility is S. So this become 1S, this become 1S. Now this time I am taking what? I am adding 0.1 molar NaCl. Can you tell me, is there any common factor? In these two, the common factor is for AgCl and NaCl, the common factor is Cl. So concentration of Cl will increases. The concentration of Cl will increases. Whereas the solubility of this one remains same. But later it is taken as 1S and here this is taken as 0.1. For what reason? Because S value is lower than 0.1. Previously we got S equal to 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5 means 0.00001. Like that. This is very low value compared to 0.1. That's why that is neglected. So this is neglected. Now what is KSP? Tell me. KSP equal to Ag plus concentration into Cl minus concentration. 1s whole power 1 and 0.1 whole power 1. This is nothing but given how much? 1.3 into 10 power minus 12. 1.3 into 10 power minus 12 equal to s into 10 power minus 1. On simplification, we get 1.3 into 10 power minus 12 by 10 power minus 1 equal to s, which is nothing but s equal to 1.3 into 10 power minus 11. Thus the problem is calculated. So this is depend upon which one? Common ion effect. It is depend upon common ion effect. The solubility of sparingly soluble salt is neglected when compared with the complete soluble salt. This is the complete soluble salt. NaCl is a complete soluble salt. Now we are calculating the solubility product, the solubility product of MOH taken twice is 4.32 into 10 power 4.32 into 10 power minus 4.32 into 10 power minus 12, or let us suppose as 10 power minus 15. Then pH of the solution is what? pH of solution is what? This is the model is asked in 2019 NEET exam. This model is asked in 2019 NEET exam. Now in this one, MOH twice ionized into what? It ionizes into M plus 2 and 2 OH minus ions. Let us suppose solubility as 1s and this is 2s. So what is KSP? KSP equal to 1s power 1, 2s power 2. So 4.32 into 10 power, let us consider this one as 13. So into 10 power minus 13 equal to 1s power 1 and 4s power 2. Now this one on simplification we get what? This one on simplification we get 4.32 into 10 power minus 13 by 4 equal to s power 3. S power 3 we are getting. S power 3. On simplification we get 4 1.08. 4 1.08 sir into 10 power minus 12 equal to this one. Now simplification we get 10.8 into 10 power minus 14 is equal to s power 3, or you take 108 into 10 power minus 15 s power 3. Now s equal to what? 108 into 10 power minus 15 whole power 1 by 3. 10 power minus 15 into 1 by 3 means 10 power minus 5. We have to take the cube of this one. You know, 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3 means 27. What is 4 cube? The 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4 means 64. What is 5 cube? 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5 means nearly 125. So this is in between 4 and 5. So let us suppose as 4.5 something. So nothing but this is M. M is equal to 4.5 into 10 power minus 5. So M value is nothing but molarity or solubility. Now I have to find out the pH. To find out pH, we should have the knowledge of H plus ion concentration or OH minus ion concentration. So since given is OH minus twice, so concentration of OH minus is nothing but normality. Normality is nothing but molarity into N factor. So the molarity we got is, the molarity is nearly 4.5 into 2 into N factor is 2. 4.5 into 10 power minus 5 into N factor 2. 9 into 10 power minus 5 is the concentration of this one. Now POH equal to negative log of OH minus ion. Negative log of 9 into 10 power minus 5. On direct calculation, plus 5 minus log 9. Log 9. This is taken as log of 3 into 3. Log of 3 into 3 can be written as log 3 into 3 is taken as This is taken as 5 minus here log 3 plus log 3. So what is log 3 value? 5 minus 0.47 plus 0.47. 5 minus 0.94. That means we are getting 604. This is nothing but POH we have. Therefore, pH equal to 14 minus POH. 14.00 minus 4.06. Nothing but we are getting what? We are getting 9.94. Thus the pH is calculated. This is the method of solving the solubility product. Okay. So I hope you understood this concept very well. Thank you.